Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to replace resume on Indeed. Guys, if you want to change your resume or if you made changes in your resume and now you want to update your new resume on Indeed, then how will you replace your old resume into new one? So guys, let's replace our new resume over here. So first of all, here on Indeed you have to go on your profile, and then you have to go on your Indeed resume. Just simply click on it, then you will see three dotted button over here. You have to click on it. Here you will see upload to replace resume option. Click on it and then select your resume from here. This is my new resume and I want to upload it and replace it with my old one. Just simply select your resume and then open it. Once you click on open, then the pop-up will appear on your screen, and here you have to select yes, replace resume. And if you don't want to do, obviously you have to click on do not replace, but now I want to replace it, so I will click on yes, and you will see my resume will be completely changed into new resume. Once it done, then you have to review your resume. Click on it and then click on continue, and here you can see all your data. So guys, as you can see, my resume has been completely changed and all my data has been updated over here. Now I am going to share it in public and finish. Now I'm going to my profile, and here you can see my resume. So guys, this is how to replace resume on Indeed. Thank you so much. Keep watching. See you in the next one.